So we parked right here and walking up. This is Diamond Lake Marina. There's some cabins right here, which they're pretty cool. A little too close to the marina for me, but and all the noise and shit and stuff. Excuse me. But this is pretty cool. Look at that. It's just a beautiful lake. This is it's Sunday today, so it's mellowed out a little bit, but we had a campsite over this way and looking off in that direction. We still can camp tonight, but the bugs were kind of thick, and Lisa went a little crazy with the bugs. She'll probably say that I went crazy with the bugs, but it's all good. We're just kind of going to Crater Lake now, and we had to have picked up camp and moved over a site, so anyways, it just works out where we're going to take off, go somewhere else. It's all good as long as I'm with my wife and our new dog and we're chilling. It's all good. And I'm not saying that because the camera's on.